Buonasera, Mattia.
Buonasera, Marcus.
Once again, I see a nice product here. Quite a lot of manufacturers already did a hand grinder.
Yes.
So you received a lot of requests for the hand grinder, or?
Well, some customers asked in the past. But let's say that this product here is our concept of an hand grinder.
Okay.
Which is, let's say, something completely different from an electronic grinder. And we can say that there's a specific market, a specific, let's say, target group that we decide to, let's say, approach with, let's say, our own concept.
Okay.
So this is, let's say, an Eureka hand grinder.
Okay.
With some characteristics that we believe to be unique in the market.
Like for trekking or camping?
Exactly. This is, let's say this way. Bring Eureka wherever you are.
Okay, cool.
So you can travel also with this grinder. So it's let's say very easy to carry with you.
So yeah.
Let's go ahead.
Okay.
Please.
I am curious. Baby. Yeah, yes, nice baby. Name.
The name is Baby because it's it recalls the shape, which is really nice and also compact.
Yeah. Okay, super. So here a nice simple instruction how to use. Yeah, of course it's simple. So and then
you have three parts. Three parts.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Very
nice. One. Wow, the grinder itself.
Exactly. You have here 48 millimeter conical burrs.
Yes.
The burrs have a special treatment.
Yeah.
It's in chrome.
Okay.
And these reduce the friction of the burrs, so that is easier for the end user to grind.
Yeah. Wow, it's quite light. Nice.
Exactly. And the shape, the design of the burrs is conceived for both espresso and filter. So this can be used as a all-ground grind.
Oh, okay. So for
every type of coffee.
Okay. So
you have the coffee jar, which comes in this configuration in glass.
Nice. Also a thick glass, not too thin.
Exactly.
And then here, how to mount?
So
we have to remove the upper part.
No, you have to. First thing to do is to. To join these two parts. Once you have it, you need to keep the knob fixed.
Yeah.
Just move it left and right, and you're done.
Did you already do for espresso?
No, you need to let's say adjust it.
You need
to adjust it. What is unique for this grinder is and we wanted to keep it as Eureka outstanding point is the adjustment that is on top.
Yeah.
So you have the adjustment above, so it makes very easy to adjust.
Nice click.
Exactly.
So here is coarse, here is fine.
Exactly.
Oh, nice.
So this recalls is similar to other Eureka grinders.
Nice. So now I do a test to fill in.
Wait, I have to show something.
Okay.
You can do like this.
Wow.
So you can fill in, you can
measure.
Exactly.
Like also with the scale, then we can, for example, use it.
No, you have
No?
to
First, yeah, reverse.
So very easy, and again, no waste.
Cool, cool, super. And then, of course, oh wow, that's really cool. And now?
Exactly.
And smooth.
The shape has been conceived here to also, if you want to keep this, you see that this part here is following the shape of the end. So
nice, nice, cool. And if I like to adjust finer than here, cool. That's of course now more for filter coffee. Wow, yeah, and soft and easy. Wow, nice, nice. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. It fits good in the hand. So, wow. Maybe we can ask Federica for testing if it's also for female.
Sure.
You want to test whether it's too hard or not?
Not at all too hard.
Wow, cool. So even for usable for female?
Absolutely.
Cool.
It's all ground for every type of coffee and every type of
nice. So that's a real baby.
Yes. Exactly.
Super nice. Wow. Amazing. Really cool.
Thank you, Marcos.
Ok, grazie mille.
Grazie a te.
Ciao.
Ciao.